Hello, welcome to the Rode Wireless Go 2 video. This is just a quick guide on how to use the microphones, a little bit of everything you need to know, better than what the small manual that is in the packaging is. So let's go over. I would recommend using these microphones whenever you're trying to record an interview or sitting down and doing a video such as this one, where you're just going over some cool technology. I wouldn't recommend using this one for events unless you're interviewing someone, just because it won't really record the atmosphere. It's more just a personal microphone. So you have one receiver followed by two transmitters. The transmitters are actually microphones, which is really cool, really handy to have, and the receiver can just be plugged into your camera. Turning on and getting to grips with these, each microphone or transmitter is going to have this small button at the top here. If you press and hold this on, the screen will light up for the receiver, and you press and hold the two at the bottom for the microphones, and they will turn on and turn blue. So as you can see here, I have the equipment turned on. You might be wondering, what is going on? So if we go to the receiver first, the one with the little screen on, you'll be able to see that as I'm talking, the little green indicators will move up and down. This indicates that both mics are working. They're going to look the same just because I'm in the same area, but they will change if you've got them on two different people. If I only have one on, one bar will show. If I have two on, both bars will show. On the receiver as well is both the mute button located on the left side of the device, followed by the channel select button on the right side of the device. The microphones should be pre-linked, but there might be the off chance that they don't come linked at all. You can tell this by the batteries located underneath the microphone numbers. So what we want to do to reconnect the device is press the right button here, select which microphone that you want to use. In this case I want number 1, and the little symbol start flashing. On this, press and hold the power button just once, just a quick press, and it should find and locate the microphone, which it has done here. If you're needing to use one of these microphones and you haven't found the lapel or you don't feel comfortable, grab one of these fluffy mounts. At the top of the microphone you'll see a twist turny bit. Pop it on, twist and turn, you'll feel a pop, and boom, you're away. Now you can just clip this to your jumper or your shirt. You want somewhere close to the mouth. You don't want nothing rattling, so I wouldn't recommend putting this on the lanyard. I'm going to put mine here. Hopefully. There we go. And now I have two lapels. Wow. Interesting times. So you can't actually record from this device. So currently this will record to anything. To do that, you'll need to put this on a camera. For this, I'm using the A7 IV, which all of the sound equipment should be in camera bag 1, so this is the camera that I should default to. So I'll show you how to do that now. So in the bag itself, you'll have this cable pack. You'll have 3 charging cables, one 3.5mm jack. Open this up. You want to take your camera. So I'm going to move this microphone out of the way. You're going to take your transmitter. You've got a clip on the bottom, slide this into the hot shoe mount, just like so. And you want to take your 3.5, plug it in here. You want to plug this into the camera, flip the camera on its side. The top slot is your microphone. You can see there's a little red indicator, there's a little microphone to the side. Plug this in, and boom, you should be good to go. If you turn the actual camera on, make sure it's in record mode, hit display button, and now you should be able to see that the microphones are picking up on the camera. From here, you'll also want to set your camera audio record level. Use function, go to audio record level and set it to about 5. So that's how you record. So all you'll do is you'll hit your record button on the camera and the microphone will just automatically record. If I wanted to set up a camera with a lapel mic like I've got here and not the dead cat like I've got here, find this little armoured pack here. You'll then want to locate the microphone and remove this from the case, as well as any accessories you'll be using for the shoot. So one end you'll have your plug-in point, on the other end you'll have your actual microphone. From here, there's a little 3.5mm jack here. Plug this in. Now you have your microphone connected. So all you'll do then is come back in to the little Kevlar pouch, come and take your plastic bag out, and inside you have various little tools that you want to take out. In this bag, you want to take out the normal pop filter and place it on the end of the microphone. You'll also want to take out one of the coloured clips and connect this to the microphone so you can attach this to a collar. Same way you would do as the normal microphone, but now you've got long wires so you can hide this ugly box. Just clip this on anywhere, and as long as your power point's turned on, it should connect straight to the wireless, and when you hit go, it should record. The last thing I do need to show, however, is actually how to charge this. So back in this pack again, where you pull out the 3.5 jack, there's 3 cables. It's as simple as taking one of these cables, making sure the device is turned off. So I'm going to press and hold the road button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Remove any accessories from the device. Plug the USB-C end into the only other slot on the device which will take anything. Then plug into a plug point or into a wall or into your laptop. The blue button will flash. When it's flashing, it's charging. When it's steady, it's fully charged. On the receiver, the USB port is located on the left side of the screen. Plug in the USB cable, then plug into a plug or charging port. From here, the charging is represented on the screen. The charging takes about 2 hours, and overall, the whole kit should have about 7 hours use before the next charge. And that covers it for these Rode microphones. These microphones are amazing little devices, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate and reach out. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.